What's Uppie, Uppie Adventure Crew? You ready for another adventure with Uppie? Let's go! Alright, now we're going to do a fun science project. First, we have this volcano. Then we have this bucket just in case if it gets a bit messy. And the ingredients we have is white vinegar and baking soda. And we have this spoon if we have to mix it. Make sure you have a parent when you're doing this just in case. And now, since we have both of our ingredients, we're gonna put some in. First, put a little, not too much, but put some baking soda in. Just so you guys know, you don't have to make a volcano like this. You can try it in a cup at home. So now that we have some baking soda in there you go. We're gonna add, there's a couple of chunks in here, so make sure that you kind of break them all up. Okay, now you're gonna grab your white vinegar and pour some in here. Well, ooh. Oh, it's fizzing. If you add more, it makes it more. Ooh, it's like an explosion. Oh, it's fizzing up top. And it looks like luckily you have this basket because the paper got all wet and there's a whole bunch of vinegar in the basket. So it looks like it worked, but we still have a whole bunch of excess of this. Thanks for joining me with our erupting volcano project. Bye.